This application is designed to create bypass chimneys within your Tekla model quickly, accurately, and efficiently. By automating the design of complex infrastructure, it saves valuable time and effort, making your workflow faster and smarter. Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about the de-deprecated by Stridley solution in Chimney model. Select the connection and pick the point of origin and the point for orientation for the openings of the chimney. As you can see, the chimney has been placed as the origin being the center of the chimney, and the point for orientation is the point provided for the openings of the chimney. Here, in this plugin, we can manipulate using the user inputs. The plugin consists of three major parts: deviator, silencer, chimney. These parts can be individually placed or removed from the model. For example, if I only want the deviator, I will select the toggle switch for chimney and silencer and modify the connection. Here, only deviator has been remained. Similarly, I can individually place chimney. We'll talk about the individual parts of our model. First, we're going to talk about the deviator. The deviator consists of three subparts: stiffener, brace, clips that we will go through the general tab first. The deviator consists of two openings, brace and stiffeners, that we can individually select what type of opening we want. The options provided are circle, square, closed, that we will show you an example shortly. Now, we have selected a square opening and a closed opening for the model. Now, a square opening educt is being created with a square opening and a closed one. For the stiffener tab, we can individually place each stiffener using this distance array. Stiffeners can be removed using the toggle switch at the top. Types of stiffeners provided are hard-rolled, built-up, brace. Braces can be manipulated using the brace silencer tab and can be removed using the toggle switch. Silencer tab. Since silencer tab, we can manipulate the silencer tab by manipulating the parameters of each segment. Each next segment is measured for further developments. Developers have provided two types of chimneys: cylindrical, conical. The number of rings and the number of segments can be manipulated using this tab. Stiffness of the chimney can be manipulated using horizontal stiffeners and vertical stiffener tabs. Insulation has been also added and can be removed using the toggle switch in the insulation section. Individual installations also can be removed using this section by putting the number of ring to be removed insulation from. For example, if I want to remove insulation from ring number 1, 3, and 5, I will write 1, 3, and 5 in this section and modify. Here the insulation has been removed from the shell level 1, 3, and 5, that we have also provided studs within the walls of the insulation for enhanced insulation. The parameters of individual studs can be also manipulated using stud detail section.